Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl, the Ototaye, wey dey bring una ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbe small na gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. The charismatic Enugu priest wey dem dey call Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, when report come say e dey miss since 2 days ago. So yesterday, when be 5th May 2021, for the Enugu Catholic Church, so the protesters come outside say dem no see Reverend Mbaka again, dey miss. They come gather for the church, dey protest, dey even destroy some things. So during that process, when they take dey protest, so na there motor take do wetin carry Reverend Mbaka come. All of them come start to dey do wetin happy say e don come out o, dem don release am for where him dey. So Reverend Mbaka come dey narrate wetin happen for the adoration ground in Umushi-Igbo nke Enugu State. Say the bishop call Reverend Mbaka and they presented a lot of issue against him. Then the church leadership led by Bishop Callistus Onaga come tell Reverend Mbaka say Reverend Mbaka go dey indoor for 1 month. Say this one go make am pray and meditate over his activities. Reverend Mbaka come talk make the bishop allow am make e go tell his parishioners, then he go shut down. But the bishop say no. Reverend Mbaka say him come still tell the bishop say make they allow am make e go do mass for people just only that day. He no go tell the people say he dey under punishment. Say he go tell the people say he wan go do prayer for just 30 days. But the bishops dey still say no. He also beg dem say okay, make the bishop appoint another priest make e go do mass for people that day. Dey still say no. Say dem no even treat am like priest. He come ask wetin the bishop dey punish am for, wetin be your offense wey dem dey punish am for. So say the bishop tell am say na meeting na dem dey come, but before he reach the bishop house, dem don already make conclusion. Dem no even allow am make e talk wetin dem dey punish am for. Dem no tell am nothing. Dem just give am punishment. He come dey ask dem wetin be your offense when he do, why dem dey punish am. Say before this meeting, one woman don already tell am say the bishop go call am for meeting. Say the woman also tell am say him go leave him house for 30 days. Say after the 30 days don over, dem come transfer Reverend Mbaka to Rome. The ministry go close. So when the bishop see people protest yesterday, the way they gather, he no get any other choice than to allow Reverend Mbaka make him go. He say the first thing when they present against am be say he bless the leader of indigenous people of Biafra when they call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he recently criticized President Muhammadu Buhari government. The bishop say because he dey spoil their church image, because their church na be the largest of any Christian organization worldwide. Because when President Buhari enter, he say na him do wetin inside President Buhari. Now he don come outside again, dey blame President Buhari. So he dey destroy their image. They no want am to be so. That is why they say make dem do wetin keep am for 30 days. The person see say wetin him do na wrong thing. He don come out come correct himself now. Una say why he go come out come talk am. So una want make everybody dey swim for inside the ocean of lies. You know, most problem when we dey face for this Nigeria na bishop and all these big men of God na im dey cause am. Because then they dey enjoy. They go dey tell us say God dey your side. They no fit come outside come talk truth, and dem dey use escort dey keep their self dey waka up and down. Okay, this Reverend Father now, he look say wetin he talk before no be so e be. Then he come outside come correct himself. Una say e dey disgrace una, e dey tarnish the image of una church. Like me, all these things wey dey happen before, when Reverend Mbaka, all these things, I no dey like dey put mouth, I no dey chook mouth put. But this particular one, na him come talk say wetin the bishops dey reason wey make dem do wetin wan lock am for 30 days. So Reverend Mbaka come later tell dem say no be una get my mouth, no be una go tell me who I go bless, who I no go bless. Say if you no dey happy say he bless person, you get your own mouth, come outside use that mouth take curse the person. Say he no go fit do wetin hate him brother because of some people wey get hatred for their blood. Now I say man do wetin come let una know my people. Let's go straight to another ogbonge update news. The Oba Gbadebo Adedeji, wey be Owa Oye of Ekemesi Ekiti in Ekiti State, don come out yesterday for the discussion concerning the Okemesi Cultural Festival wey dey come up on the 8th May 2021. Na the Oba na be the former chairman of Ekiti Council of Obas. Say the attack on traditional rulers e dey very disturbing to am. Say how can bandits kidnap or kill traditional ruler to death just like that? This message na for Africa traditional rulers. Say if dem fit dey go about with African juju go stop this killing wey dey happen to traditional rulers. So say why the killing dey much on traditional ruler be say the traditional rulers dem don talk say dem no go fit use charm take protect their self. Say the traditional rulers dem dey run away from their tradition, which is very truth. Some traditional rulers dem no dey practice wetin make dem be traditional rulers again. Say how you go fit kill or kidnap Oba just like that? The thing dey very painful and e dey difficult to believe also say Oba just dey die like that. Say in those days war dey come but dem get the how dem fit dey fight dem with Africa juju. But now newfound religion don take over and e don reduce their faith in tradition powers. Say e believe make people do am in Africa way, make dem put jazz for their body. No believe say any security agent go fit do wetin protect you as a traditional ruler. Say all these traditional rulers wey dem dey kidnap, so dem don throw away their belief in Africa charms and power. That is why kidnappers dey fit dey do wetin kidnap them. Me sef believe say if all traditional rulers stick to their tradition, do something for their body, no bandit, no Fulani herdsmen, no kidnappers go fit do wetin harm them. So my people, now say ma do wetin come let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.